The market drags its consolidation into the new year before it steadily starts its climb in what could be a breakout pattern. This is Invest with Jacob. Okay, guys, no video yesterday as unfortunately I spent most of my New Year's weekend sick with COVID, and yesterday was no exception. I am not 100%, but I am feeling better, and I'm ready to talk about the market. So the market decided to drag its feet into 2022, pushing down at the open below 47.50 before steadily grinding higher in what we think is the start of a breakout pattern. I'll get into that in just 1 second, but first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard, and this is Invest with Jacob, where we use Elliott Wave Theory to break down the S&P 500. I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. All right, guys, with the low made today around 47.47, we started to grind higher and have just about made a complete 5-wave pattern up, which would be the start of a breakout pattern in wave 5. This is best seen on the charts, so let's jump in and take a look. Okay, guys, here we are on the 15-minute futures chart, and I do want to keep this update a little bit short today because I'm not 100%, but I did want to get an update out for you guys. So not a lot of in-depth explanation, but I will be on Slack tomorrow. If you have questions, you can reach out to me there, and I'll tell you how to get there at the end of the video. So as we saw last week, they pushed up hard in wave 3, then consolidated across. They never really pulled back enough to consider wave 3 over. So I'm considering that little poke that we had to the new all-time highs right here at the top of wave 3. And then we had an A down, a B up, and a C down at the open today. And from there, we're pushing up and trying to make wave 1 of 5, okay, because this would have completed wave 4. So we're trying to make wave 1 of 5 here to get the rally started for our breakout setup. So today, off of that low, we're going to zoom in a little bit here, okay? We pushed up in 1, down in 2, 3 pushed up through the 1.0 extension, which is what we need. Came back and tested the pivot. Remember, the pivot is the 764 to 618, so it tested the 764 right here. Pushed up out of it strongly, which is exactly what you want to see. Pulled back again, and now is pushing higher and hopefully completing wave 5 of 1 to complete wave 1 of 5. I know that gets a little complicated sometimes in Elliott Wave, but just know that the top of this wave is wave 1 of 5. That's all you really need to know. So the top of this wave, we are targeting the 1618. Typically a full wave, we target around the 2.0 extension. But since the wave 3 did not push up to the 236, then it's more likely we hit this 1618 target at around 4800. I would also take the 4794 here at the 1382. That would be an acceptable height. And quite frankly, we have 5 up. We are above wave 3 here, but I would like to see it extend up at least to 4795 and more ideally 4800. Which would be just around the all-time highs. So if we get that, guys, and that looks like what they're trying to do here in the overnights, they've been pushing higher. If they can push it on up over 47.95 towards this 4800 target, when we get the pullback, remember that wave 2's target 50% retrace to 764% retrace on the wave 2 pullback. So if we hit the 4800 target, I have the line up here as if we do, then we would be looking at 47.75 to as low as 47.60, but I think 47.68 should probably hold. So I would say 47.75 to 47.68 is where we would expect wave 2 to pull back to before starting our wave 3 breakout towards that 48.50 target. Now remember, once we top and get that pullback started, okay, wherever it finds support down here, assuming it does find support, okay, wherever it finds support down here and starts higher, when we take out this high, that is a breakout alert. You should expect the market to accelerate from there into in a pretty quick fashion towards 48.50. So if we do get that breakout and we take out this high, our overall target starts at 48.50 and can go as high as 49.10 for that wave. And that's the wave we're really looking for to play on the upside. So that's what we're watching here tomorrow. We're watching for the overnights to push higher up and complete this wave 5 and then start drifting back down towards this 47.75, 68 area. And from there, we're looking for support to hold, the market to reverse pretty strongly in wave 3, and take out this high that it makes in wave 1, okay? Once it takes out that wave 1 high, then we should be looking for a breakout towards 48.50 to 49.10. Guys, if you like the information that I put out in these videos and you want real-time market updates from me, you need to get in my Facebook group. There's a link down in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and it will take you over to Facebook. When you get to Facebook, you do have to get approved to get in my Facebook group, but the only thing that I ask is that you subscribe to this YouTube channel. So hit that subscribe button down below. Come on over to Facebook. I'll get you in there. And once you get into my Facebook page, hit this featured button right here. And this is how you get the most out of this Facebook page, okay? Hit this featured button right here and scroll down. You'll see a link to my documented trades. I still need to update these guys. I got sick and just haven't done it. I apologize. I will make sure they're updated. But this is almost every trade we've had since the beginning of the channel. You scroll down just a little further, you'll see a link to my Slack channel, and Slack is just a free chat channel. I am on there all day during real-time market hours, giving market updates, answering all of your questions, and giving out my buy and sell alerts. It's a very talented group of traders from the very beginner to the very expert, and a great place to learn or improve your trading. So come on over, guys, and let's make some money together. Okay, guys, key takeaways for today. We are looking for the market to continue this push up in wave 5 of 1 to complete wave 1. Then we're looking for a retrace down to about the 47.75 to 68 area. From there, we're looking for the market to grab support, push up, and break over this wave 1 high. And as soon as it does that, that is our breakout alert towards 48.50 to 49.10. All right, guys, that is the market update for today. I will talk to you tomorrow.